What are we doing today?
We are playing with lights today. That's what we're doing all day, just lights. No, but we're actually here for a movie premiere that we filmed. Actually, that Russell filmed. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna cover this event. They're gonna do a premiere, and there's gonna be a lot of people. There's gonna be a lot of partying. There's gonna be a lot of dancing, and a lot of Russell.
And he's gone.
You just switched channels? No, I actually put a ground lift in there. It was just some ground noise. Gotcha.
What
We
you're doing?
are testing out our short film on the projector and sound system here at the Cerrito Center for Performing Arts.
Pull it out, or
Yeah, you can pull it out.
roll it out. I mean,
Which is the long way?
I don't see it.
I was standing on it.
Are you?
I think so.
Oh my gosh, you were!
Yes!
Look at that.
Yes!
So I am testing lighting for our backdrop photo, red carpet photo kind of thing that we're doing, where he's standing in right now as one of the potential red carpet goers, but not as pretty. Yeah. So then they'd stand there, I'd be like, all right, looking this way, 1, 2, boom, and 1, 2, boom, and 1, 2, boom. And then it goes ahead and saves it, and then uploads it to our lovely little server where they can scan the QR code, wherever that thing is, and yeah, wherever it is, and then they could get it right then. And it worked.
Okay, so you want me to smack the screen to fix it?
I'm not kidding. Let's try it.
Okay.
Where's
Okay, so this is not working. So we're bringing it over to Russell.
Oh my gosh, Jess is following me. What am I doing?
Fixing it.
Oh, fixing it.
So Russell is trying to troubleshoot the tablet now.
I'm turning it on and off.
Except it won't turn on.
I'm trying to turn it on.
Keyword trying.
Charging this through the dock?
Mm-hmm.
On both sides?
Yeah.
Does this charge through this?
I think so. That's what I charged it through. Or I was charging it through. We tried both. It was sitting on the actual charger for a bit and still doesn't turn on. We're trying to get it to work.
So you're probably only gonna, at all,
Be able
the
to get, like,
front
the first
row,
three,
yeah.
My job today is part gaffing, part B-roll shooting, and interview shooting.
And then what's gaffing for people that don't know?
Gaffing is the person who's in charge of putting lights in places. And they work with the DP to strategize and figure out where to plot the lights, where to point them, and yeah, just try to get. We're responsible for getting what the DP has in his mind.
Oh, Jess has a pickpocket, I mean not a pickpocket, a lock picking kit.
Not a pickpocketer.
I have an actual lock picking kit, so wait, that's not. It's legal.
The technician for this person says you should try updating it, and the customer's like, it won't turn on though. Okay, ready?
Still nothing.
Still nothing. Let me act like I'm walking the whole thing. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, what's this? Oh, photos, flash, big flash.
Awesome. He'll never know you guys took pictures with him.
We'll take one with him.
Yeah, of course.
He's my brother.
Perfect. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
We're gonna go wides. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Perfect.
Hey guys, we're here at the premiere of I'm Housing. I'm gonna give you a tour of what's going on. We have interviews over here. They're interviewing a lot of the cast members, making sure we get some sound bites, all that good stuff. I think we're about to be in an interview. Hold on, let's go. And then right here we have the red carpet event. Right there, boom. Marvin's taking over that area. We have Tommy over there. And let's come on in over here. And right here we have the actual theater. Theater in here. We got food over there. That's the best part ever. Pizza. I haven't eaten it, but it smells good. We have everyone else, all cast, guests, crew, all up in this club. Got a DJ over there. We also have a performance coming after the movie. People will be dancing, breaking. And of course, there's Russell. Always trying to be in the shot. Always trying to get in somehow, some way, find a way onto the shot. Yes, that's him.
So today I'm being used as a camera with these glasses, and I'm just walking around filming whatever I look at. So far it's mostly been the pizza, and that's really it.
Hi, my name's Johnny. I'm the sound recorder and editor on I'm Housing with Corcino Productions. I was so happy to work with Ryan and the team, Russell and Marvin and Tommy. These guys, they're creative geniuses. Their technical creativity and everything on set was fantastic. It was really a joy to work with these guys. It really elevated me in my position. I did all the sound recording on set. I recorded wild sounds and dialogue and things like that. And I allowed Russell to do the video editing, and then he sent me the project so I could do the sound design and add a little background effects and things like that, and movements and cloth sounds and steps and things like that to really make Alan's vision come to fruition. And I'm so proud of the team and all the happiness everybody's feeling today. It's really, I have a lot of gratitude towards these guys, and it's just such a happy day and a happy event.
Are you done over there?
Okay, update. Oh, Tommy's here. Update. We got our food. This is my first slice of pizza. See, only one slice and one cookie. I'm humble. This is his third plate, if I'm not mistaken. He gets one trophy, and all of a sudden, all the food's his. Yeah. Wow. Marvin's also here, so nobody's at their camera stations right now. No, Tommy's right here too. The only one working is Jess, apparently. Yeah.
Pretty awesome. So this was a family we put together for this film. They're not actually related to each other at all, but they look like it. All right.
Marvin,
Like to spell my name? Well, there's a microphone on me. I'm not sure for what.
Are you signing it, or are we putting anything? Oh, we're signing. Okay.
He's on his way. Yeah.
Oh man, how do I spell my name? R loop line. Oh,
See that?
raw. It says raw.
Here's my tag. Yeah.
Oh man, he's trying to cover up the masking.
You all got it? Marvin got yours.
Where's Tommy?
Should I sign for Marvin? Oh, Marvin already signed. Where'd Marvin sign?
Hey, glad you can make it. Sorry, mission.
Oh my god, yeah.
Said I really want to do it.
Where's Tommy?
Autograph? Get your autograph?
Tommy.
Yeah, you were
Oh, why am I still? I'm still talking into this. Tommy, what was your favorite part about being the gaffer for this project?
Oh no.
That was not. Wait, panda that. It wasn't me. You saw my hands. You saw where my hands were.
This is the remnants of when it fell. It's cracked and it's broken on the corner. Rest in peace, the stand. The one crack.
Tommy, what was your favorite part gaffing this project?
I like ladders. And so when I was on top of the ladder.
What's your favorite part about ladders?
I like to walk on ladders.
You know what I noticed? Every time you strike the light, you'd have it shining in your face, and it just. But it's like every time. Can you explain your process?
I wanted to make sure it was turning on. So.
I get it. Ryan, the producer of this film, wants to know what your favorite K-pop band is. What's the boy demon band in?
Saja Boys.
Yeah. What?
It's the Saja Boys. You know, my little dirty pop. Hey, hey, hey.
Have you seen that movie, Tommy?
Haven't yet, no.
Oh, well, Tommy hasn't seen it.
Would you recommend it?
Would we recommend it?
I would hell recommend it. How have you not watched it?
I believe in the production company behind that movie. I heard that it was like sold out at a loss though.
There is Marvin capturing red carpet photos. Oh.
You guys are looking great today, man. Thank you for everything.
Always says hello because I'm a modest. Yeah, because if these kids don't go buy our records, I'm much naked. So we all them to pull out your pen, sign an autograph.
Let's give it up for the film Nuance. Justin, let's go, Phil. You still got it, my brother. Show some love for Alan Brown. Right to B-Boy Zenja. Yo, DJ Wobbles, you turn it up on the turntables.
All right, guys, so we just wrapped up I'm Housing, Alan's film. Produced it from beginning to end, just did the premiere tonight. And yeah, I got everyone to watch it. They all loved it, so I think we did a great job. Everyone did a great job. It was a fun project. But now we're gonna move on to the next one, the next project. We have something coming, so you guys stay tuned. Follow, like, and subscribe if you're on socials.